What if your workouts could think for you? What if your watch told you exactly when to train hard and when to rest smart for maximum fat burn? I tried AI-guided HIIT using HRV for 30 days, and the results? Mind-blowing. This is how AI plus biofeedback can completely transform your training, and that's how we're one of the bodver, turn your intranupper, androgen and help you burn fat faster than ever. Let's start with the basics. HRV stands for heart rate variability, the tiny changes in time between each heartbeat. The higher your HRV, the better your recovery and nervous system balance. AI-driven fitness trackers, like Whoop, Fitbit, or Garmin, use HRV to detect how stressed or recovered your body really is. Think of it as your body's readiness score, your built-in performance indicator. Here's where AI changes the game. Instead of following a random workout plan, AI uses your HRV, heart rate, and recovery data to adjust your intensity automatically. Feeling recovered? It tells you to go hard. Push limits. Body under stress? It recommends a lighter mobility session or deep recovery day. The result? You train smarter, avoid burnout, and burn fat faster because your workouts align with your body's actual state, not guesswork. So, I decided to test it. 30 days of AI-guided HIIT using my HRV data. The app tracked my sleep, heart rate, and stress every morning, then customized my daily workout intensity. Some days it told me to rest more, which felt weird at first, but guess what? My fat loss skyrocketed. By week 3, my energy was up, my recovery was faster, and my resting heart rate had dropped. The AI literally learned my rhythm, coaching me like a personal trainer that never sleeps. Here's the science behind it. When you train too hard on low recovery, your cortisol spikes, slowing fat burn and increasing fatigue. But when AI detects your readiness and adjusts intensity, your body stays in prime metabolic mode. You burn fat without crashing your energy or motivation. It's not just a fitness hack, it's data-driven optimization powered by AI and your biology. Here's how you can start today. Get a wearable that tracks HRV, like Whoop, Fitbit, Garmin, or Apple Watch. Connect it with an AI-driven app, Athletic, Training Today, or Fitbit Coach. Follow the daily readiness score. Let the app decide when to push and when to rest. Within weeks, you'll notice better recovery, more consistent fat loss, and fewer burnout days. AI isn't just the future of training, it's the shortcut to smarter fitness. Every day you skip tracking your recovery, you lose valuable data your AI coach could use to transform your results. So start now, before your next workout, and watch your progress accelerate. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who needs this, and comment "ready" if you're ready to let AI guide your fitness journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health hacks every week.